Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Form W8ben certifies foreign status to claim tax treaty benefits or exempt withholding. Use it when you receive U.S. source income such as dividends, royalties, or independent contractor payments, and you want the payer to apply reduced withholding under a tax treaty or recognize non-resident status. You must be a non-resident alien individual, not a U.S. citizen or resident. The payer or withholding agent uses Form W8ben to document status and apply withholding rules. And you should understand this form does not get filed to the IRS by you directly. Obtain the current Form W8ben from IRS. Gov as a PDF or use your payer's secured portal, and always confirm you have the latest revision date before filling. Complete Part I with legal name, country of citizenship, permanent address, mailing address if different, and foreign tax identifying number or U.S. ITIN if you have one. Complete Part II only if claiming treaty benefits and include the treaty article and rate. Sign and date the form. Unsigned forms are invalid and will cause backup withholding and delays in payment. Submit the signed form to the withholding agent or payer, not to the IRS, and follow their upload or mailing instructions to avoid payment holds. Form W8ben expires after the year it was signed plus 3 full calendar years, so plan to renew proactively to maintain reduced withholding or treaty benefits. Provide an updated form within 30 days of any change of circumstances, for example, a new citizenship, address, or tax identifying number, and retain copies of your submitted forms and correspondence for at least 6 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.